Hello everyone! I am so excited that Halloween is coming up. I am doing these nails early so you all have time to practice. These are super simple 3D real looking pumpkin nails. Here is how to do them. Step 1. Using black acrylic powder and liquid monomer, paint on black acrylic using as many beads as you need to make an opaque background. Step 2. Using white acrylic and liquid monomer, use 1 to 2 small beads of white to create a pumpkin shape. Think of a wide apple and then push the top inwards like I am doing. Step 3. After the white is dry, use orange and cover up all of the white. The white also makes the orange color pop out. Step 4. After that is dry, take some more small orange beads and place them like banana-shaped crescents throughout the pumpkin, like so. You can check out my hot air balloon video to see this technique in extreme detail. Step 5. Use a small green acrylic bead for the stem. Put it right at the top middle of the pumpkin and shape it so it bends sideways. After everything is dry, put a nice gel top coat and cure in a UV or LED lamp for as long as the gel bottle says so, at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Admire your masterpiece! Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more holiday-themed nail art. I hope we can all find some kind of joy through these tough times, so I would love to have you join me again for my upcoming videos.